Friends, today we're going to talk about one of the most legendary figures in wrestling history, The Rock, whose real name is Dwayne Johnson. He is not only a wrestling icon, but also a highly successful Hollywood actor. Apart from wrestling, he has also played professional football. So, without wasting any time, let's take a deep dive into the incredible journey of this multi-talented personality. Dwayne Douglas Johnson was born on May 2nd, 1972, in Hayward, Alameda County, California, USA. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a well-known professional wrestler, and his mother, Ada Mavia, was the daughter of Peter Mavia, a legendary Samoan wrestler. The Rock belongs to the famous Anoa'i wrestling family, which includes some of the greatest wrestling superstars like Yokozuna, Rikishi, and Umaga. However, it's important to note that these wrestlers are not his direct blood relatives, but they belong to the same extended Samoan wrestling family. His real cousin, Lena Fanine, is also a professional wrestler, better known in WWE as Nia Jax. The Rock spent part of his childhood in Grey Lynn, New Zealand, where he attended Richmond Road Primary School. Later, his family moved back to the United States, and he studied at President William McKinley High School in Honolulu, Hawaii. When he was in 11th grade, his father was transferred to Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, where he enrolled at Freedom High School. Here, he started playing football and also participated in track and field and wrestling. Due to his impressive performance in football, he received offers from multiple universities and finally chose the University of Miami on a full football scholarship. He played as a defensive tackle and was a part of the 1991 University of Miami's national championship team. However, he was a backup player, not a starter. His football career was affected by injuries, and he was later replaced by Warren Sapp, who went on to become an NFL star. After graduating, The Rock joined the Canadian Football League, CFL, and played for the Calgary Stampeders in 1995. However, after just 2 months, he was cut from the team, and this marked the end of his football career. Following this setback, he decided to pursue a career in professional wrestling. Dwayne Johnson trained under his father, Rocky Johnson, for a year before signing a contract with WWF, now WWE, in 1996. His TV debut was on November 4th, 1996, on Monday Night Raw under the name Rocky Mavia, a combination of his father's and grandfather's names. His first official match was on November 17th, 1996, at Survivor Series, where he defeated Crush and Goldust. On February 13th, 1997, he defeated Triple H to win the Intercontinental Championship. However, in April 1997, he suffered an injury while wrestling Mankind and had to take a break. When he returned in August 1997, he turned heel, villain, and joined the Nation of Domination, where he changed his persona and became The Rock. This was a turning point in his career, as he quickly became one of WWE's biggest superstars. 10-time world champion, 8 WWE plus 2 WCW titles, 5-time WWF, WWE Tag Team Champion, 2-time Intercontinental Champion, 2000 Royal Rumble winner, sixth WWE Triple Crown champion. From 1996 to 2004, The Rock dominated WWE and became one of the most electrifying entertainers in sports entertainment history. However, after 2004, he became a part-time wrestler and shifted his focus to acting. In 2002, The Rock made his acting debut as a lead actor in The Scorpion King, for which he was paid $5.5 million, the highest salary ever for a debut actor. He went on to star in blockbuster films like The Mummy Returns, 2001, The Rundown, 2003, Walking Tall, 2004, The Game Plan, 2007, Faster, 2010, Journey to The Mysterious Island, 2012, Pain and Gain, 2013, Fast and Furious 6, 2013, Furious 7, 2015, Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, 2017, Hobbs and Shaw, 2019. In 2016, The Rock was the highest paid actor in the world and was also featured in Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential people. Despite his tough wrestling persona, The Rock is known for his kind and generous nature in real life. Along with his ex-wife Danny Garcia, he donated $1 million to the University of Miami to support sports academies and help young athletes. He also supports multiple charities and helps people in need through his Dwayne Johnson Foundation. In 1997, he married Danny Garcia, but they divorced in 2008. Despite the separation, they remain good friends. In 2019, The Rock married Lauren Hashian, the daughter of famous musician Sib Hashian. Friends, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and support us. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Comment below and let us know your thoughts on The Rock's inspiring journey. Thank you.